Yes po. Again, ito po yung tinatanong sa akin kanina. Every time na may interview sa akin, tinatanong po ako. Kasi ito yung tinatanong ng mga tao na baka konektado yung paglindol sa activity ng Taal Volcano early this morning. So wala pong sinalaman yung lindol kagabi sa pag-alboroto ng Taal. Just that, we have 24 active volcanoes and we have, as I mentioned, we have 180 active faults. And there is always this possibility na magkakasabay yung activity ng active faults natin at saka yung mga vulkan. Yung pag-alboroto naman ng Taal, there's nothing unusual about it. Since early this year, marami na po tayong phreatic and phreatomagmatic activities. In fact, noong September 11, meron din po tayong isang minor phreatic eruption na umabot ng 300 meters. And yung July 17, meron po tayong isang minor phreatomagmatic event na umabot din ng 2,400 meters. So consistent lang po yung pinapakita ng Taal sa yung activity niya sa kanyang alert level, which is alert level 1, meaning there is a low level of unrest.